Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see Retrieve, Update, Destroy API view. Okay, so now this time we have three things together, which is get request, put request and delete request. Okay, so now let me explain the another thing. So if we have watched my previous videos, we were doing these three things in a one view by creating different functions like get function, put function and delete function. Okay. So this time we have reduced our headache. Within 3 lines of code, we will have these three function implemented. Okay. So let's jump into computer screen and start coding. So I am on my computer screen. Now here you can see retrieve, update, destroy API view. So here we have three mixins again: retrieve mixin, update model mixin and destroy model mixin. Okay. And we have seen these mixins in action in our previous videos. Okay. So you can go ahead and watch those videos. Now I will minimize this screen. Again, I'll go to views.py. I will open the terminal. I'll open the terminal and I will just push this code to GitHub and I'll say list create API view. I'll just copy that, paste that over here. Oops. And git push. Okay. Cool. My server is already up and running. Okay. I don't need to rerun the server again. Now one last view to go. So I'll say class blog, and trust me, this view's name is going to be very lengthy, but I'll say RUD API view. So R stands for retrieve, U means update and D means destroy. Okay. API view, just to keep this view's name small. Okay. Generics dot retrieve, update, destroy API view, and these both lines are going to be same. So I'll just copy and paste that. Go to URLs, duplicate this URL, bring this URL down. Okay. Now here I will just say RUD. Here also I'll say RUD just to keep it small. And here I'll say blog RUD API view. Now I'll just copy this blog underscore RUD, go to my website, and here I'll just copy that and paste that over here, and I will say 9. Now here you can see I got the get request. So using get request I got this detail. Now using put request I got this whole thing, this whole form to update the particular blog. Okay, get and put. So once I click on this button, I'll do put request basically. So using get I got this instances. Okay, and using delete request I got this delete button. Okay, so I can perform all this task in the one page. Okay, but before that I'll just update the blog. So here I can write Vivo or I can say iPhone. I'll just update this log. Okay, and I'll just do put. Okay, you can see mobile phone iPhone. If I refresh, I got the same thing. Okay, now if I click on delete, confirm my deletion, I deleted the blog. Let's go here, refresh, you can see I deleted the blog. Okay, now I have left with only one blog, okay, which I created on previous video while we were seeing list create API view. Okay, so I hope you got idea about this retrieve, update, destroy API view. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video guys, and we have completed the concrete views. Okay, so in next video what we are going to do is we are just going to do code cleanup and set up our project. Okay, and we will proceed further for advanced topics now. Okay, so from next to next videos, we are going to start with advanced topics. So if you want to do some revision, take your time, do revision, okay, and just complete all the topics and then come back to this series and start watching the videos again. So each and every things which I taught you will be useful further, and whenever you will use this topic in production, it will be very helpful. So yeah, thank you.